Today I'm going to talk about Mode 1, 2, 3, and 4. The controller for your helicopter, or what we call the radio, can have up to 4 different modes. Mode 2 is the standard in the United States, and I believe that is pretty much the standard around the world. Some people will fly like a Mode 1, 3, or 4. I don't believe any of those are very popular. Mode 2 seems to be the standard, so that's what we're going to go with. First, I'll show you Mode 1. I'll show you the difference real quick. So my controller is now in Mode 1. This controls the throttle and or pitch of the blades. This controls the tail. This controls forwards and backwards. This controls right and left. Mode 2, which again is the standard, throttle and or pitch of blades, tail, forwards, backwards, right and left. Mode 3, throttle, tail, forwards, backwards, left, right. Mode 4, throttle, tail, forwards, backwards, left, and right. So Mode 2 is the standard that most people are going to use. So the next video I'm going to explain what the sticks do exactly in Mode 2. I won't ever show Mode 1, 3, or 4 in any of my videos. Everything will be in Mode 2.